everyone, Narelle here. Welcome to my channel about paper crafting, and it's another 30 days of sketches sketch today, day 8, designed by Rachel Usher, and it's a really fun sketch. So it's basically just strips of paper in the background, but if you look closer, they're alternated. So the paper used here is used here, so they're just like turned around, and then this band of paper here, title, embellishment, journaling, and a couple of photos. Mine is going to be the other way around, as in my photos are going to be the other way around, because my photos are landscape photos. And this is them. We had some birds in 2010 who decided to nest on the beams of our patio out the back, and we thought it was cute at first until they started making one big mess. But they had a few babies. They had like 4 babies. So, you know, once we realized that they had eggs in there, we couldn't do anything about it. Sorry. We were going to knock the nest down when they started to build it, and then we went, oh, no, it'll be okay. And then as time went on, they got messier and messier and messier. But anyway, and then the following year, sorry, still got this annoying cough. At the end of that year, we actually enclosed the patio, so they can't build up there anymore. So they come and land on our waterfall, the pool, which is behind here, and they chirp really loud, and we reckon they're abusing us every day because we closed in the patio and they can't nest up there anymore. Anyway, so that's what I am scrapping. The papers I have chosen are from 2010, Little Yellow Bicycle. Twig is the range, and I got these out because they got these cute little birds down the bottom, which I thought was beautiful and so appropriate. The reverse side is a lovely wood grain green, and then these leaves, so it's all from the same range. I love this paper, so pretty. The reverse side is this green and blue diamond print, and that's the same. I got 2 of them. So what I was thinking of doing was using for my stripes, using this paper, and this paper. Oh no, hang on, and no, not that one. Just these 3. So I don't know if I can do it anyway. You get no that way. The birds, the green, and the leaves as my stripes, and then my horizontal is going to be this one, and I think I'm just going to do a straight horizontal, because with 2 big photos like this, I can cut this one down. I could probably come down a little bit. You're not going to see much of that anyway. Like if I did the photos like that, oh, I don't know, I thought you'd see more, but I don't know. Anyway, yeah, we're going to make this work for me, okay? So that's the sketch, they're the photos, that's the paper, and I just went through my blue and green box and picked out lots of embellishments. I picked out the heading, so cool. Now this didn't come from the box, this came from my No Limits word die cut titles from Cocoa Vanilla, because I knew there was some really good words in here I could put a good title together with, and I just love these. I think they're really different, they're really new, like not new, but I don't see anyone else doing things like this, and I knew the colour would go because it's got the navy blue in it that's in the blue in the paper, and I really like them. So anyway, that's what I'm using for my heading. And then the other embellishments I picked out was just whatever I could see, blue and green, you know, I thought might go. Got some photo corners. I can only find 3 of them for some reason. 4 of these though, they might go. So a lot of this stuff might not even land on the page. It's just what I found that was in my green and blue boxes that I thought I might be able to use. So just some circles, some die cut leaves, more of those flowers, another leaf, more of those flowers, a different colour leaf, just some blue tucking pieces. This was the same colour sort of that's in the paper. And then I found a heap of these. I think these must be from a card making kit that I pulled apart and just put all the elements in my coloured bins. Some tucking pieces, I got some green photo corners in case they work better. Again, I only found 3 of those. A couple of different leaves, some more tucking elements. One of them. And these are green die cut stickers. So I thought, well, they might be really good. And a few journaling pieces, or some more tucking pieces. And then a few pieces for journaling. I like a few options because once I get my supplies out, I hate having to go find other stuff. So whatever I get out is what I normally try to use. So journaling pieces, and then these like blue stickers as well. These must have come out of a card kit as well, I'd say. So that's what I have to play with, and I'm now going to fast forward you and then have a play, and we'll just put this page together, and I'll come back at the end and I'll chat about the page. that is the layout done. I'm really happy with it. I kept the embellishments to a minimum. I've put more on there than what is on the sketch, but that's me. I love stacking the embellishments. So my journaling's going to go down here. This is the sketch that I was following. And what I took from it was the stripy paper at the back. I didn't alternate them. I just kept them as the one length all the way through. And my band across the middle is just straight. My title, embellishments, and my journalings in the same spot as the sketch. I have more embellishments on it, but like I said, I love embellishments. So that is day 8 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. If you've liked this video, give it the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And thanks for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.